Hey there, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, bringing you a LinkedIn strategy tip, and this is involving how to follow up with connections that you're making on LinkedIn. One of the common mistakes I see is that people will connect with someone, there's no dialogue, and then nothing happens afterwards, and then they say, hey, why isn't LinkedIn working for me? Well, you need to get dialogue started and be prepared to kind of continue that dialogue. So here's what I would do. To locate new connections I've made, I'm going to click on My Network in the top, and then the left panel where it says Connections, I'm going to click on Connections. This will take me to a list of my connections, and you can see here it's sorted by recently added. So any of these individuals, whether they sent me an invitation or I sent them an invitation, were new connections. So you can see right next to them there's a button that I can click on to say Message. And in this case, I've already been messaging back and forth with Sheila. I've continued the dialogue there. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and show someone else in my group here. So let's look at Caitlin Young, for example, here. She is a first level connection, a new connection of mine. I'm going to click on message, and what I'm going to do is, you can see here, in my invitation to connect, I always include a personal note. I make it all about Caitlin. It's not about me, what I'm looking to sell, what my business is about. It's all about her and things that we have in common. And in this case, we were both on a call together for the Detroit Economic Club. So now I'm going to reply back to Caitlin, and I will say something like this. Thanks for accepting my LinkedIn invite. And then I want to kind of include in here just a very subtle sales pitch. So what I might say is, let me know if you ever have any LinkedIn strategy questions. And that's it, guys. That is my sales pitch. I don't include a video. I don't send her my Calendly link to set up an appointment. I don't include a link to my website. There's nothing else, because what I'm trying to do here is demonstrate that I'm a professional on LinkedIn, that I can kind of hold back until she has expressed interest in learning more about my business. But I'm also planting a seed. I'm letting her know that my area of expertise is LinkedIn, and hey, I'm here if you have any LinkedIn strategy questions. Now, if she's interested, she's going to reply back, and she might say, actually, I do have a question about LinkedIn. Or she might say, hey, I heard about you. Yeah, I've been meaning to reach out. Whatever it is, if there's an opportunity, if there's interest from Caitlin, she will reply back to me. So that's my LinkedIn strategy tip, guys. And this involves how to follow up on new connections you're making on LinkedIn to establish dialogue. And you never know where that dialogue may lead. It may lead to new business, new referral opportunities, or visibility for yourself. This has been Brenda Meller with today's LinkedIn strategy tip. Please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and put on notifications so you get future notifications for video tips like these. Thank you.